If you've lost access to your Monster account and cannot use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Monster login page. Go to the official Monster website and navigate to the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Step 2. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, select any alternative recovery options provided, such as using your phone number or answering security questions, if available. Step 3. Contact customer support. If alternative recovery options are not available or do not work, reach out to Monster's customer support. Look for a Contact Us link on the website and provide them with your account details. Step 4. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve providing personal information such as your name, phone number, or any previous job applications associated with your account. Step 5. Follow instructions provided. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions given by customer support to reset your password or recover your account. They may guide you through the process or provide a temporary access method. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Monster account without needing access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.